She's like the sunshine, she's full of magic, just like the crystals inside her pocket. Always rocking music, loving all her friends. Come on over, you're always welcome. We got the treats, it's always playtime in Ray's world.
That's me! Nature
What are you doing, Goo?
I'm doing focus.
You're making funny faces? Nice sunnies.
Thanks.
All right. Well, Ray has been learning how to follow instructions recently. So, what does following instructions mean to you?
Listening.
It means listening?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that all that it means?
Mm-hmm.
Well, maybe that's where we're missing the boat. Okay. Following instructions means listening to the spoken details, right? And then doing them in that order. What else does that sound like?
I don't know.
That kind of sounds like following a recipe, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You
Also,
listen to the details and then you do them in that order.
Following a recipe.
Do you remember when we made tiny toast?
Yes. And do you like my cool stick?
I sure do like that stick. And then what happens if you don't remember what the details were?
I know, but I remember when I was a baby.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if you don't remember what the details are, or you don't understand what they mean, you can ask again, right?
Yeah.
Get clarity. And you can also ask what the definition of other words mean, right? Because sometimes people have two different definitions of the same word, right? So it's important to know how somebody else defines that word. Don't you think?
Yeah.
I think so.
You like this thing?
I do like that thing.
Like that.
Can you tell me why following instructions is important? Do you know why following instructions is important? You don't know why? Well, can you think of some ideas?
Learning how to play an instrument. Learning a technique. Learning at home. We're going to do my workbook.
You're going to do your workbook? Awesome. All right, so let's read these instructions.
I know how to do that.
You do? All right, well, let's read the instructions for everyone else. It says trace the letters and color the pictures. What letter are we going to do today? Right here, what letter is this? L. That's right. What does L sound like? Good job, sweetheart. Okay, that's the uppercase L, and then we're going to do lowercase l, right? So you're... What is it? It's like a Y shape? Wow, it is like a Y shape. So can you tell me why following instructions is important?
Because you'll always be able to listen to your parents.
Well, that's very true. But don't you think that if you follow instructions, it's so that things turn out the way that you want them to? Right? Like when you're making cupcakes, you follow the instructions, right? So that they turn out the way that you want them to. Don't you think? That seems like a pretty good idea. Also, if you're following instructions, then you can find the things that someone is asking you to look for, right?
Yeah.
That's super helpful.
Also cleaning.
cleaning your room as well, that's a really, really good way to follow instructions. Also, to keep you safe, right? I don't know, what is that thing?
Also found my toy right on the grass.
On the grass you did? From yesterday?
Ooh.
I love it.
It also spins, right?
It does spin. Can you tell me why you think it's so difficult to listen? You do need to listen to your parents, but why does it seem so challenging for a child your age to grasp this concept? Do you know? No? It just goes in one ear and out the other? Interesting. I'm really excited to find out what this is all about because you're so smart, but for some reason you're not listening to the instructions, right? Do you have any insight on that? No idea? Maybe it'll just come with age. What do you think? You think maturity will bring the ability to listen? Love, that's a good one. Also experience, right? Listening over and over and over again until you become a master at it.
Also, my sandcastle is also ruined.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Fascinating.
Now I gotta learn to make Easter bunny.
Oh, for the Easter Bunny? Yeah, that's what happens when something gets ruined, right? You just start over. Build it again. I love it. All right, well, I guess we will come back to this discussion because listening seems like it's going to be a process and going to take experience and practice, right? Nothing wrong with that.
I found so many sticks.
You did?
Yeah.
Can you tell me how many?
Let's count.
Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. 6 sticks.
Yeah.
Good job. What letter does that start with? Do you know? What is the sound? What makes that sound?
C.
Oh, close. How about
Snake.
snake? Okay, so what letter starts with snake? S.
S.
S. Good job. That's awesome.
I should have given a clue, but you just called.
I tried to give you a clue that wasn't so obvious without giving the answer away, but I think I gave the answer away. Okay. All right, my love. Well, we will come back and see how much better we are at following instructions a year from today. How about that?
Yeah.
Today's a good day to remember, right?
Yeah.
All right. Love you.
Love you. Thanks for watching. Don't miss that for subscribing.
Are you dancing, Ray?
Yes.